The years have been good for DXN. Success after success have made headlines that speak well of the company's vibrancy in the international marketplace. These are successes powered by the astute leadership of the company's founder, which translates into continuous product and service excellence. DXN is a world-renowned and fastest-growing network marketing organization. Today, DXN showcases its world-class Linji Farm and GMP standard pharmaceutical factory. With operations spanning the globe in over 100 countries and over 4 million registered distributors, DXN has entrenched its position as the world leader in Linji-based products. Indeed, it is a coveted position derived from a smart adoption of what we call the One Dragon, One World, One Market concept. DXN is an internationally diversified caring company that straddles activities ranging from MLM, property development, renewable energy, and tourism. Starting off confidently as a specialist cultivator of the Ganoderma mushroom, later to graduate into the scientific innovation of the species, and ultimately to invoke world-class innovation by developing a range of high-quality products. That is DXN. Founded by Dr. Lim Xiao Jin, a graduate of the world-famous Indian Institute of Technology, DXN cuts a keen edge in the use of mushrooms for health. Aware of the Linji mushroom's reputation as the king of herbs, Dr. Lim spent more than 10 years of research and scientific analysis to create a solid base for DXN's innovation of a wide range of health-sustaining products. DXN's corporate footprint shines with an integrated network of excellent local presence. On the global front, the company has aggressive marketing presence with its sales and stock centers spanning the developed and developing worlds. DXN's One World, One Market philosophy underscores the integration processes from all the international business transactions and ease of distribution for members with worldwide bonus on a single membership card. Marking the company's milestones of achievement, DXN proudly displays its list of awards and recognition that range from Most Outstanding Multi-Level Marketing MLM Company to Good Manufacturing Practice GMP. Several more in between reflect the positive vibrancy of the company. DXN produces a wide range of products comprising healthcare supplements, food and beverages, to personal care and household products at its Linji farm and factories in Jitra, Kedah, the northern state of Malaysia. DXN Linji Farm is the largest organic Ganoderma farm in the world. The cultivation of the Ganoderma mushroom is practiced in a high-tech environment. Utilizing the organic cultivation approach, DXN goes natural all the way, using materials such as rice chaff and sawdust. To maintain the highest level of purity and cleanliness, DXN's Linji is processed using the largest and longest autoclave system to ensure that all bacteria, viruses and fungi are properly sterilized. Through this method, DXN's Ganoderma mushrooms produce more than 300 kinds of primary and secondary elements, including enzymes, coenzymes, amino acids, vitamins, carbohydrate, and other trace elements, which help to improve the quality, quantity, and growth of the crop. In the area of spirulina cultivation, DXN is the first MLM company in Malaysia to explore and produce spirulina from cultivation to finished product, while in between undergoing stringent R&D and efficacy tests. For being first, DXN has received a 10-year Pioneer Status incentive on spirulina cultivation and processing from the Ministry of Agriculture and Agro-Based Industry. DXN spirulina powder is ecologically farmed using choice species cultivated in clean ponds without the use of pesticides or herbicides. In the pharmaceutical plant, the adoption of clean rooms assures optimum hygienic conditions that comply with international standards. This is further augmented by stringent quality control. In 2004, we invested 15 million ringgit to build a state-of-the-art automatic coffee mixing plant and new packing line to meet its expanding market. Production begins with the blending of high-grade coffee and Ganoderma powder within the safe environment of a clean room. Our Ganoderma value-add coffee is then packed for export the world over. DXN's other beverage products range from the delicious Noni and Roselle beverages, herbal teas including Reshi Gano tea, DXN Kori Pine and fruit cordials. Tapping into the area of personal care, DXN produces a wide range of products, ranging from herbal creams, soaps, oils, toothpaste, powder, medicated rub and perfume. Leveraging on the latest in ICT, DXN uses e-commerce to enhance marketing strategies. Through this system, DXN provides members information on monthly points, bonus member status, and fund transfer for purchases. Electronic data processing (EDP) is also used in stock control. DXN offers regular and updated training programs to help members know thoroughly the excellent range of products that DXN offers. Based on well-rounded product knowledge, members are given more refined and regimented training as purveyors of DXN products via an integrated global marketing network. Achievers realize their lifelong dreams through an attractive rewards and recognition plan that makes a fast turnaround of their efforts. Branching out into other areas, DXN has embarked into the travel business through its fully owned DXN Comfort Tours. It offers inbound and outbound tours, catering to the travel and tour needs of groups and individuals. The company also provides package tours and convention and conference packages. In yet another diversification move, DXN has embarked on its first property development project in the form of the upscale Richmond Residences in Jelutong, Penang. The project, comprising 94 units of freehold, gated 3-story link villa development in Jelutong, Penang, is located midway between the fast-changing suburban development of Georgetown and Bayan Baru. Nearer to home, DXN is in the midst of its 10-year township development project consisting of, amongst others, shop offices, hypermarket mall, commercial buildings, hotel, private hospital, school, institution and residential houses. With the 300-unit shop office building sold out and a hypermarket taking up position as the anchor tenant, Stargate is tipped to be a jewel in the crown for the Kedah property market. In the area of renewable energy, DXN has successfully completed the demonstration of a model biodiesel plant in Kuantan Port, Tanjung Gelang, Kuantan, Pahang Darul Makmur. The model plant showcases DXN's competency and technological capability in pioneering bioenergy, the energy for the world tomorrow. our big family. We are the world in 100 countries. A vision realized and a mission to seek new frontiers will see the DXN Group reaching for the stars in the years to come. Enter a world where dreams come true. Enter the world of DXN.